Hi everyone, fabtradershaven.com. Just going to quickly go through what we went through in the New York session today, the 15th of July. Um, it was a day where our moves really started in London, and in Rory's session is where we got into a lot of the moves. And New York, we just with the bad news coming out of America and stuff, price just continued to go the same way. If we go to what we did was we planned the trade where we were going to find resistance, where we were going to find a little bit of trouble on the way up, and areas that we had to go through. So what we did was, let me just bring this out here for you. This is the euro. So what we did was we planned it and we said, right, okay, well, this is an inverted head and shoulders. This is our target. Our target will be this 200 EMA. On the way up, we've got here, this is the monthly 89, this is the weekly 365, and this is the daily 200, all in the way. So, and then we've got the 61.8. We look to the left, and there's not a whole lot until we get up here to this is the weekly 365. So that is really 131.39. Price should hit that. So we just aimed and looked for targets and looked for where we would have a little bit of bother. The pound is slightly different. The pound, we kind of highlighted this zone here today. Look to the left here and further left again. This between this area of 154.80 and 153.50, we're going to have prices may stutter through it. So we spent the session looking at these zones, talking about them, and how to scale in and scale out and things like that. And this is it on a 4 hour, just kind of slowly making its way up. If we see on the 1 hour, we can see that it stopped at the bottom in the zone and it's come back out of the zone, and now it's gone back up again. So and we used the session to highlight, to talk to the guys in the room about when to stand aside from a trade, when a trade isn't setting up properly, how to know when to stand aside, and the importance of it for your account, and the effects it can have your account, and gave the guys some tips on how to do that and things like that. So that was our New York session today, really just continuing from London, and just managing the trades we were already in. We'd love to see you if you'd like to come over to fabtradershaven.com. It costs about 98 cents a day, which is virtually nothing. If you'd like to chat to us about anything or whatever, you can email us either at info@fabtradershaven.com or email at fabtradershaven.com. The address is at the top of the screen here and down here. So we'd love to see you, and take care.